Om Shanti. Today's topic is the art of letting go. So, what is letting go? Letting go is a process where I am willing to let go of all the things I hold on to, the restrictions I put myself, the attachments I have to things and objects or people, or even to my own mindset, my old way of thinking, my old habits. So, letting go is a process where I am willing to let go of things that is not helping me anymore, and I want to clear this inner clutter. I would like to keep my mind free and clean so that I can use that creative energy or my positive energy or my thinking energy towards something more beautiful in my life. Because if I don't let go, I'm stuck with the old memories, old patterns, and old things that cause me hurt and sorrow, and I am constantly repeating them, and I'm using my thought energy, my emotions towards only these old things, that this happened, that happened, because of this I'm hurt, because of this I am, I'm affected, I underwent this loss. Or there are two aspects. One, which there are things that we want to let go. Okay, these things are not good for me, I want to let go of it. That's one. Second thing is that life will make me to let go. Example, someone passes away, I have to let go of that person. Something is no longer available to me, an opportunity goes away, I have to let go and move on. I can't be stuck with that missed opportunity, or I can't be stuck with things which I can't bring back. So when I move on, it allows me to go and put my energy towards my future. So, like an example, say currently I'm in version 10, and I would like to go into my next version, my better version, maybe version 25, or the world is right now in version 250 or version 100. But if I'm stuck only with my current version, version 10, no matter how comfortable they are, but I have to move on to my better version, or to the what the life is asking me. The life is giving me opportunities to grow to version 100, but I'm just stuck with this old version because I have my old ways of my comfort zone, my likes, my dislikes, or my attachments to this in this version. So I need to allow myself to grow so that I can reach my full potential or enjoy my best potential in my life. So some of the things that doesn't allow me to let go is, one is definitely my attachment, my clinginess to things or people or objects. Second thing is that is an aspect of ego, because sometimes I don't want to be wrong, so I will not let go or admit, yes, this is wrong. So that's one thing. Second thing is ego. And third thing, I'm not ready to let go because I am holding on to things which is very comfortable to me. So that comfort zone is what doesn't allow me to let go. So I want to keep it for some more time. That's the third thing. Fourth thing is my own fear, that my fear of future, or fear of how can I handle it. So these are four things that mainly contributes to not to let go of something. So how can I let go is, some of the solutions are, one is definitely keeping this thought that let past be the past. And second is acceptance. The more I accept things, the more I accept the flow of life, the less I ask questions and reject and retaliate with life itself, then I can't move on, because I'm retaliating, I'm questioning the very functioning of life, and that's going to put me into more confusion, and I'll be unhappy because I can't change it. So the more I accept the flow of life, and the more I accept there's benefit in this for me, I have to move forward. So that's the second thing, acceptance. Third thing is like really focus on the future. So let me move on, because I want to have this thought, this goal that I want to go and experience my free self. I want to experience the positive self of me, because if I don't let go, I'm experiencing my negative self and I'm not enjoying them because they are not me. So, in order to really feel the inner beauty of myself, I need to let go. So, to have that thought, I want to experience lightness, happiness in my life. So, the third thing. Fourth is definitely forgiveness. So, sometimes I just have to forgive things because I cannot control everyone's behavior. So, to really use the virtue of forgiveness, to forgive and move on, so that I can move forward in my life. Because if I don't forgive, I am just holding on that grudge for that person or for that situation. So that's fourth thing. So fifth thing is to have courage, because when I take this one step of courage, then definitely help will come to me, something will work out for me, because I need to go ahead and I need to let go and move ahead with courage, hope, and enthusiasm. So today, take a moment and see what are the things you would like to let go, what are your blockages at this point of your life, what are the burdens you carry, and list those things, at least couple of them, and try with all of these five solutions, try one solution for a week and see how it helps you to let go and how what difference you see. I'm sure if you try these five methods, you will feel more positive in your life, and you will feel that you have more energy, because you're no longer carrying the old burdens, no longer carrying the weight of the past memories or past happenings in your internal mind. So let's try this. Om Shanti.